Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix touch screen is not working in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, 37 or 57, you're facing the issue that your touch screen isn't working. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So if your touch screen isn't working, so there's the best way you have to make a full restart with your phone. Now for this, you just have to press and hold your power button and the volume down button for almost 15 seconds. You just press and hold the power button and the volume down button here. The very first you must see black screen, then Samsung logo, then your phone will be restarted. So just wait for this. Or I hold this. So my phone goes shut down. I'm gonna restart it. This see the Samsung logo. Once you see the Samsung logo, your phone is now will be restart. It will make a forced restart with your phone. And once your phone has been forced restarted, your issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't work very first time, so you no need to worry. You can try almost 2 times more because sometimes it doesn't work the very first time. So you can try almost 3 times, like 2 times more after the first time. But if it not work in third try, so this only we have to check for your Samsung phone 16, like it might be physically damaged or broken, or touch sensor is broken, so you're unable to use touch of your phone. So once you have done, you have to try to change it. So once you have changed your touch screen, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.